Today we're taking a look at Decentraland's Mana coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Mana go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into the Mana chart, guys. If you'd like to buy Mana or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And as you can see, Mana did obviously bounce off our key point of support here at $2.67. Our low of that day was $2.63, but all in all, looking relatively positive. We've come back up now and we're testing our key point of resistance at $3.12. And moving to the hourly chart, you can see right now that yes, it did move up to there, but it looks like we're slowly starting to uptick again and hopefully go for another test. We're going to have to break through this hourly moving average here, of course, which might prove to give us a bit of resistance, but all in all, looking good. We did have, I suppose, a break of a flag pattern here, but not in the right direction, unfortunately. As you can see, if we start to extend this out, it went and just absolutely crapped itself. Going across, I'd actually suggest it's probably a bit more like that, a bit more of a traditional, I suppose, flag pattern you could call it, like that. And you can see, unfortunately, it broke the bottom end of it and it fell, which is why we had a bit of a dip. All in all, not too bad though, given we are starting to recover, but this does look like it could be a typical bear trap. So just keep that in mind if you're trying to trade this one. Just watch to see what it does. Moving back to the daily, looking at the volume, you can see today very low, and it has been for the past, I suppose, few months. We are moving, I suppose, into a tighter and tighter position, so I'd expect to see a bit of a reversal on the MACD, which could help us start to break out if that volume does come in. As you can see, getting very close now with the 12-day EMA, coming up to the 26-day EMA. This is starting to level out as well, so I expect within the next 2 days, should we see some buying momentum coming in, we're going to see a nice cross here of the 12-day above the 26-day and hopefully a breakout for us. A breakout would mean that we break through $3.12 and then we can go on to test our next target at $3.43. That would be ideal case scenario. 20-day moving average though, coming down at $3.23. That may act, unfortunately, as a bit of a barrier, but all in all, we should be able to get past that with a bit of positive momentum. Let's have a quick look at the RSI as well. Having a look at that, we are still relatively in the middle now, 45.22. Plenty of room for us to move upwards if a breakout does occur. So all things right now, for me, are pointing towards a very positive result, hopefully within the near future. I think our little, I suppose, downtrend that we had seen in place over here has certainly been broken and we are moving up. But what really will solidify that is a break here of the $3.12 mark. That is very, very critical for the short term. Should that occur, our next target is hitting that key point of resistance at $3.43. I'm going to draw what I'm hoping is going to happen, and it's going to be something like that. I suppose we might have a bit of resistance here with the, 20-day moving average, but we should be moving in an upwards direction similar to that. If we can have a big candle like we saw on the 6th of January, that would be perfect. That wraps up our Mana analysis for today, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.